So here you get a nice view of this tower. The Mahannakhon is 314 meters high. Good morning. I'm here in front of the W Hotel in Sathorn, and from here you have a very nice view of the King Power Mahanakhon and the Sathorn Square. Yeah, so this is located in the heart of the Sathorn business district in Bangkok, between the St. Louis and the Chong Nonsi BTS stations. I don't come to this area that often, so I thought it would be a cool idea to show you guys around here. I love this kind of, yeah, I could almost say Christmas tree. So here in front you have the Chong Nonsi BTS station. It's a 12:15. I know I started with good morning, but it's good afternoon. It's the hottest part of the day, but this always gives the good pictures. So there you have the bridge that at the moment is under construction. So they are the Chong Nonsi Bridge, they are renovating it. Let's see where I can pass. I noticed there's a lot of construction going on at many BTS stations, and basically what they are doing is they are building elevators. All in an effort to make all the stations more wheelchair accessible. So I noticed it as well at the Nana BTS station. So this is Chong Nonsi, and if you want to go to the Mahannakhon skywalk, then this is the station where you want to go. Here you get a nice view of this tower. The Mahannakhon is 314 meters high. And I went there with Mirella a couple of months ago. I will put a link to a trip that we had there. Iconic building here in the center. Yeah, I haven't done a walk since quite a while. So I was here, so I thought, okay, this is a nice opportunity. So I'm walking now between Sathorn and Si Lom. So this is what they call the Mahannakhon Cube, and this is a shopping mall. And when you visit the King Power rooftop bar, then here you can go and eat something or do some shopping. So yesterday officially the sandbox opened in Phuket. So from now on it is possible to travel to Phuket without doing a quarantine, but only if you had a COVID test. There's a lot of requirements that you need to meet. So, but I think it's a step in the good direction. So let's hope that it works. Here a new project, the Tate, Sathorn Square 12. Yeah, not too much talking today. I just wanted to show you this walk because I never been here before. So here we're getting to Si Lom Road. So there you have the M, and next to it the Ashton. And we're in front here of the BTS line. So I hope you enjoyed this update about the Si Lom and Sathorn area. If you did, feel free to subscribe. You can press the like button, and see you guys in my next video.